All right, Monday morning, back in the land of Hilux. What's going on here? Oh, that's not for the Hilux. This is for the Hilux. So what are we doing? We finally got all of our stuff in final primer last week. So that means we get to resand everything and prep it for paint this time. Yeah. And I actually already threw the hood up at the end of last week, and it's pretty much ready to be cleaned and shot. So my plan is to do the cab and the engine bay and maybe the bottom of the hood. And then all this would be white and done. All this, that, door jambs, roof, back of the cab, do all this in one shot. And maybe the bottom of the hood, just so it's done. It's the only piece that I need to do in two parts, bottom and then flip it and do the top. The rest of everything is going to get done in one shot. Like the doors will get hung and I'll do the inside and outside at the same time. One side of this, only the outside of the fenders. So that'll let me get this all in white, roll it outside, give us all something to look at, and then I can have a lot more room in the shop to space all this stuff out and get it ready for spraying. We do a lot of talking when we get to this stage about how to break up the job when you spray it, because a lot of these modern metallics and modern colors that you use, if you spray twice out of one can, you run a risk of the color being different. And fortunately for us, this is white. It's a 045 Toyota white, and it literally just has a splash of yellow and a splash of blue in it. So it's pretty much just white. So the risk of us having a pigment change from piece to piece is like in the basement in comparison to what we could have going on. So that's what allows me to do all of these in pieces, and it gives me a lot more room to spray all this stuff out, which will keep the overspray and the dust down. So I'm all good with all that. I'm just gonna have to get these out and go crazy this week. So hopefully by the end of this week, stay tuned, we'll be putting shiny stuff on it. Appreciate you guys. Hope you have a killer week. As always, I appreciate you. If you're watching, please hit those buttons for me. It really helps the page. And we'll see you at the end of the week. Take care, guys.